Hello guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I share a simple but elegant way to keep your makeup and craft supplies organized. If you're interested, just keep on watching and let's get into it. So for this project, I'll be using 12 mini crates that I originally got from Walmart, but also this time of year, Dollar Tree did carry them and they are around the same price. I'll be working in section of 3 to make it a lot easier for me. To begin, I glue them together, then I will later on add some popsicle stick at the back for more support and also some zip ties in between, just because I would like to be able to move it around. Don't forget, a list of the items and where I got them will be down in the description box. Now that I have all my crates put in section of 3s, I will go ahead and take 2 at a time and connect them to make 6. Once again, I'm using the same stuff from before just to have a much sturdier hold. Now that we have 2 sections of 6 crates put together, now let's go ahead and bond them to make the larger piece. work in section of threes just because I find it to be a lot easier than putting everything together and forgetting where to put glue or zip ties. So what do you guys think? Would you have used that same way? To make this project budget friendly, I will not spray paint it, but if you like, go ahead and do so. In my case, I'm covering the red zip ties with black nail polish. I'm using foam board to make shelf liners for each of the section, which is 12 in total. I'm using my ruler to find the length and the width of the crate so I can go ahead and trace it on my foam board to make it a lot easier for cutting. For the cutting, I am not using scissors just because I want my cut to be really neat and straight. In this case, I'm using my X-Acto knife. You can also use a box cutter. With the aid of this first piece, I will trace it around the foam board and make 11 more pieces. I cover each piece with marble contact paper, but feel free to use any contact paper of your liking. ahead and add all my shelf liners so I can move forward with the project. To make my organizer more glam and chic, I will be using this Rhinestone to cover all around the borders. Do you guys see this transformation? I am loving it. I am using another piece of foam board to make a top for the organizer that I will later uncover with reflective paper. The illusion of my tough shelf floating, so I will be using those LED lights that I got from the Dollar Tree to put all around the top border. those acrylic gems, and they fit perfectly onto the little circles on top of the organizer, and that will support the shelving and give it the idea of a floating shelf. I also added rhinestone to my shelf so it can match perfectly with my organizer. This dinner was so beautiful, and I hope I did inspire you to create a really nice organizer as well. If so, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And if you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss on my next project. Thank you. Bye.